And here I have a green pool, but also I have Zappit 73. This is 73% calcium hypochlorite. So this is what it's going to use to shock your pool. So it is pool season, time to open this up. And as you can see, I've got some work to do. Filling it up with the hose right now and getting water into the pool. But what I like to use is this 73 here. So anyway, what you're going to do is scoop this. This is what it looks like. These are the granules. And it dissolves into water. You just use a regular paint bucket like this and stir it up so that it gets nice and diluted. Now actually what I'm doing is I'm just starting to get the pool going. I'm going to actually be putting the cover back on. So for now I'm just going to put some right over here over the jet, just so it can start working in there. But this has been awesome. I've been using this for like 3 years. So normally I'm going to put the cover back on because it's not quite ready yet. But I just want to get the pump going. But otherwise, you'll usually take that diluted solution and just travel around the edge of the pool and pour to really shock your pool. But this has been great. This is the 50-pound bucket. 50 pounds, Zappit, 73%. And this should last a good year, a good season. Just depends on how long your season is. But again, this is the kind that dissolves in water, and you don't really want it. You can sprinkle it out, but I'm not going to do that right now. But you just want to make sure it dissolves. And what you can do is put that in your pool, and then use a brush and brush around to break up some of this fungus and green stuff. So anyway, this is great stuff. I can definitely recommend this. Been using this for 3 years now, and it's been awesome. So anyway, definitely recommend this. You should definitely check it out.